This sounds obvious, but it's the most common reason someone appears unattractive. Bad breath, body odor, greasy hair, dirty nails, or wearing clothes that smell less than fresh instantly create a negative first impression. People notice these things long before they notice your jawline or your hairstyle. Good hygiene isn't about being perfect, it's about showing that you respect yourself. Brush your teeth twice a day, wear deodorant, shower regularly, trim your nails, and wear clean clothes. These simple habits instantly make you more attractive than many men. Your hairstyle frames your entire face. A haircut that doesn't suit your face shape, or one that's simply overgrown and unmaintained, can make even a handsome guy look average. Instead of copying a celebrity haircut, find one that matches your face shape, hair type, and lifestyle. And don't wait 2 months between haircuts. Keeping your hair fresh makes a bigger difference than most people realize. You don't need expensive clothes to look good. A $20 shirt that fits you perfectly will almost always look better than a $200 designer shirt that's too baggy or too tight. Your clothes should complement your body, not hide it. Stick to simple, well-fitting basics in neutral colors, and you'll instantly look more put together. Real style isn't about spending more money. It's about wearing the right clothes the right way. People judge confidence before they hear you speak. Rounded shoulders, looking at the floor, and slouching send the message that you're uncomfortable with yourself. Stand tall. Pull your shoulders back. Keep your chin level. These small adjustments make you look stronger, healthier, and more confident within seconds. You don't need a 10-step skincare routine, but washing your face with a gentle cleanser, using moisturizer, and wearing sunscreen every morning can dramatically improve how your skin looks over time. Healthy skin makes you appear cleaner, younger, and more attractive. Attractiveness isn't just about appearance. It's also about how you carry yourself. Avoiding eye contact, constantly fidgeting, crossing your arms, or speaking too quietly can make you appear insecure, even if you're a great person. Confident body language is simple. Make eye contact. Speak clearly. Stand still. Smile naturally. People remember confidence more than perfect looks. Having acne doesn't make you unattractive, but ignoring it can. Many guys believe acne will just disappear on its own, so they never build a basic skincare routine. As a result, their skin becomes oilier, breakouts get worse, and old pimples leave behind scars that could have been minimized with proper care. You don't need expensive products or a complicated routine. Start with a gentle cleanser. Use a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Wear sunscreen every day. And if your acne is persistent, consider using proven over-the-counter ingredients or seeing a dermatologist. Healthy skin isn't about being flawless, it's about taking care of it. When people see that you put effort into your appearance, it leaves a much better impression than simply hoping the problem goes away. You don't need six-pack abs, but staying physically active changes the way your body looks, the way your clothes fit, your posture, your energy, and even your confidence. Building a little muscle and reducing excess body fat can completely transform your appearance. Fitness isn't only about health, it's one of the biggest appearance upgrades available. Sometimes it's not one big problem, it's 10 tiny ones. Messy eyebrows, dry lips, long nose hair, an uneven beard, dirty shoes. These details may seem insignificant, but together they shape the first impression people have of you. The most attractive men usually pay attention to the little things. This is the biggest sign of all. Many men convince themselves they're simply born unattractive, so they stop trying. But attractiveness isn't just your face. It's your grooming, your confidence, your style, your posture, your fitness, your habits. Improve those consistently, and you'll become someone who looks and feels far more attractive than you ever thought possible. If you recognized yourself in a few of these signs, don't take it personally. The important thing is that every single one of these habits can be changed. If you want to become the best version of yourself, subscribe to the channel now. More videos are coming soon.